actually have lots of garden space, and you have all of these beautiful plants surrounding your home, in front and around. So this is a 5-bedroom, 5 toilet and bath, and 3-vehicle carport property, and it's in Parañaque in Tahanan Village. So if you're curious, make sure you watch the full house tour. Today we've got a brand new house lot for sale here in Tahanan Village, Parañaque. So you have your vehicle gate on your right side, and then your pedestrian gate somewhere here on the left-ish central portion. Then you have a garden flanking the pedestrian gate. When you enter, you have more garden space. Actually, it's a left side, and may konting steps leading to the side of the house, and all of that is garden space. Then again, on the rightmost side, you have your carport. So here you can fit 3 vehicles comfortably. So dalawang magkasunod and then isa dito. And then you can already see from here, again, very brand new, so please excuse the construction materials if you see any. You have access to the service areas. So the daily kitchen as well as your laundry area out there in the very back. Hold on. So this is actually staff quarters with high ceiling, as well as it's... Okay, sorry, wait lang. Aliwanag kasi. So this is... your staff quarters. And then this is your main entrance. So you have 4 steps going up. You have a ledge over here so you can put plants or have it be your seating just before entering. Then solid wooden door with a metal handle. Very solid wood handle rather. And then a glass panel here on the left side. Ooh, so bright. So once you enter, you have open space over there. But before we check that out, let's see the doors over here first. So immediately to your left, you have one of the rooms already at the front of the property. This is perfect as an office because it's at the very entrance, right after you enter, in fact. But if you needed a bedroom here on the ground floor, perhaps for the elderly or a guest bedroom, it's up to you. You could easily turn that into, this into that, especially because you have an ensuite toilet and bath with your enclosed shower space, your toilet, and your sink. Now this is double access though, because you can also get to here from the hallway. So this is also your guest accessible toilet and bath. Okay, now the main open area. You have your main stairs over here, and then very, very high ceiling for your living space, which is right here. So you can see ang dami mga abang, mga wiring na nakalabas lang dyan for your AC, for your lighting fixtures or main lighting fixtures, but your pin lights or your down lights are already installed. So your living area has nice and big windows and also a sliding glass door that leads to your lanai at the back of the property. Remember when I said that the side of the house has basically garden space? So it continues all the way to the back, all the way right here. This way pathing naman siya, so you can step on those. You don't have to step on the grass. Now your lanai can also be accessed from your dining area, which is right here. So perfect dito ang 6-seater table as dictated by the rectangular cove lighting. So pwede mo rin buksan yung access sa lanai and sa living area for an indoor-outdoor situation, especially if you were entertaining family and friends, especially during the holidays. And then over here you have your very spacious kitchen. You have an island counter over here with storage on this side and a bar on this side. Counter space over here for with your built-in microwave, oven, and your induction stove, as well as your hood. And then over here you have your sink and your provision for your refrigerator. You have access to the side of the house, which we saw earlier. Sorry, sa construction. super bright. Liwanag. So again, this is your daily kitchen. You have a window that you can hand food off to. You have the staff quarters. And then here in the corner, you have your laundry area, again, for your washing machine. Then you have your built-in sink already. And then you have that path that goes back to the lanai. So since this is the back of the house, this is probably the best area for you to hang your clothesline. Or dito, pwede rin naman, pero nasa gilid siya ng bahay. It's up to you. Okay, let's go back in. Alright, so that is basically it for your ground floor. Let's now head up the second floor, but before that, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in Parañaque, make sure you head on over to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. I love how the stairs are like mas malapad siya than the standard. So it's very wide, it's very comfortable to traverse. We love seeing that. We love seeing standard sizes and things built correctly. Okay, so second floor hallway. Is it really called the hallway though? Second floor landing feels very open, very spacious, and very bright thanks to all of the fixed windows on the other side of this open area. And then on this side, you have the doors. So let's check out the end first and then work our way back. Here we have bedroom number 2. I'm gonna count the one on the ground floor, but again, you could turn that into an office or a den. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna call that one bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 2. Pero ito talaga yung bedroom kasi ito yung may built-ins. Okay, so anyway, you have this much space. You still have high ceiling. You have some pin lights. Yan yung ilaw na yan. Wala nang abang sa gitna for a main light. Pero trust me, sapat na yung mga downlights na yan. Or pin, tama, downlights. You have, again, your built-ins over here for your desk or study, for your wardrobe. And then your switches over here dictate that the bed is intended to go this way. So your headboard goes here. Because I think switches. Then on this side, you have your ensuite, toilet and bath, with your sink, your toilet, and then your enclosed shower space. Again, you have high ceiling. This wala nang exhaust. Ito na yung pinaka-exhaust and you have an awning window with a screen. Okay. And then across this one, you have bedroom number 3. Obviously, yung abang na yan is for the AC. Okay, so again, you have this much space. It feels quite similar to the other bedroom in terms of layout and size also. And then again, it has an ensuite, toilet, and bath, pero iba yung layout. So this one is more compact with your toilet, your enclosed shower space, and then your sink. This time, it has an exhaust kasi wala siyang bintana. But it does have the manhole for maintenance. Then right next to that one, you have bedroom number 4. Okay, so this is a bigger room. It's more rectangular. You still have your built-in desk and wardrobe on this side. And then your headboard goes here, since the switch is right here. So your end table is gonna go right here. And then maybe another desk here if you want. And then you have an ensuite, toilet and bath with your sink, your enclosed shower space, and your toilet. This one also has a window, so without exhaust. And then the last door on this floor, which is right next to the main entrance, main stairs, is your primary room. Ooh, that's nice. I got a sneak peek. Okay, so you have lots more space. Again, you still have high ceiling. You have this space over here, na medyo nakalubog, right? And that's perfect for curtains. So if you decide to put curtains here, it's gonna look seamless. Hindi mo makita yung hanging rods. Which, speaking of, you do have a sliding glass door that leads out onto the balcony at the front of the property. Which is why this entire room feels very bright because you have this and then you have your corner window over there that again brings in so much natural light. You have your built-in shelf over here for your TV. So yeah, your bed's supposed to go to the other side. Then you have an ensuite, toilet and bath with your wardrobe space. So you have your toilet, your enclosed shower space here in the corner, a bathtub, your his and her sinks. I assume these are, no. Okay, so these are just, oh no. These are medicine cabinets. I love it. So you can store your products behind the mirror. Shelving over here in this corner, and then this entire wall is just wardrobe space. So you do actually have a lot of floor to work with. And again, no more ventilation because you have 3 awning windows, huge ones, all with screens. So you can just keep them open at any time, just have the screen closed. Exhaust or ventilation won't be a problem. Okay, so that is it. That's actually a lot of rooms for a 2-story home. But before I do a recap, make sure you watch these really nice B-rolls. Numbers, you have 280 square meters of lot area and then 375 square meters of floor area split between 2 levels. 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and baths, and a 3-vehicle carport. You have a lanai here at the back, a garden pretty much all around your house and in front, and then a service area as well as a laundry area at the right back portion of the property. And then you have a balcony at the front part. So this is inside Tahanan village in Parañaque. And if this is exactly the kind of place that you were looking for, whether it was location-wise, aesthetically, or just the perfect house that you need, or you know someone who does need this kind of property, make sure you send this video over to them. But if you want to see it for yourself, send us a message or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. See more house tours, make sure you click here. And if you want to see more of our build your owns or BYOs, click here. And if you want to see more of our other content, click right here. Also, if you haven't subscribed, okay?